Hello everyone, this is Janice and today I will be making ground turkey tacos. I really enjoy making these tacos because they're really quick to make and it's simple to make. It only takes a few minutes to make these tacos. You don't have to use ground turkey if you don't want to. You can also use regular ground beef. To make these delicious tacos, I will be using the following ingredients. 1 pound of ground turkey, diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, grated cheese, taco seasoning, salsa, and sour cream and taco shells. So now the first step that I will do is I put my ground turkey into the pan and then I will cook it on low medium heat. And then my ground turkey is already semi-thawed out. I had mine in the freezer, so it might take a few minutes longer to cook. But I took it out last night and put it in my refrigerator to let it thaw out a little bit. But if yours is going to be thawed out, it'll cook a lot faster. So basically you just break the ground turkey into small pieces with your spatula until you get them all broken up into little pieces. And like I said before, if you don't want to use ground turkey for your tacos, that's okay. But I like to use ground turkey on my tacos because it's a lot healthier for you. But that's all up to you. And these tacos are so easy to make, especially when you're in a rush and you don't have much time. This is a really quick meal to make for your family. Okay, so now I will just let this cook for a little bit, for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes until it's all cooked. And then I'll be back. Now the ground turkey is cooked, and now the next step would be to add my taco seasoning on the ground turkey. And then after all the seasoning is out of the package, then I will add 2/3 cup of water in my pan. Then I will mix the ground turkey along with the water and the taco seasoning, all mixed in. And then once all the ingredients is mixed in all together, then I will let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure that you cover the pan with the lid. That way the water absorbs it into the ground turkey. Okay, now the ground turkey is done, and I will remove the lid from my pan. Now I am ready to make these delicious tacos. Very excited to make them. Okay, so now I have my 2 taco shells on my plate, and I will scoop out some of this ground turkey. Now make sure when you put the ground turkey into the taco shell, make sure the juice does not go along with it. And I'll tell you why. The reason is because it'll make your taco shell kind of soggy, and you don't want that to occur. Then I get my next taco. I scoop out some of this ground turkey, remove excessive juice from the ground turkey, and I pour it onto the taco shell. Then once I have the tacos in place, Then I will add my other ingredients. So first I will start with my lettuce. And then I will put the lettuce on the tacos. Then I will add some diced tomatoes on the tacos. Then I get my next taco and I put some diced tomatoes as well. You can put as many tomatoes as you like. Then I would add my cheese that I grated. And then I will put it on the tacos. And my next taco, I'll do the same thing. And then I will add some salsa to my tacos. You can add any kind of salsa you like. You spice up your tacos. And I'll put some more on the other one as well. And if you like some sour cream, that's good too. Give it some more flavor. And just scoop it onto the tacos. Then I'll have one more taco to put sour cream on. And there's the tacos. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my video and give me a thumbs up. If you like my ground turkey tacos, leave me a comment and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. See you. Bye.